Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through a common issue some of you might be experiencing. Your TikTok videos not getting any views. I'll go over a few possible reasons why this is happening and how to fix it. First, make sure your video is set to public. Tap the plus icon, record a quick video, hit the check mark, and then tap next. At the top of the screen you'll see who can view this video. Ensure it's set to public. If it's accidentally set to private, only you can see it, which means no one else can view it. If your video is still stuck at 0 views, check your account privacy settings. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Privacy and look for Private Account. If it's turned on, switch it off. A private account means only approved followers can see your content, which might be why your videos aren't getting views. Finally, try sharing your video. Tap the 3 dots on your video. Then use the copy link option or share it via SMS. Ask a friend to watch it and check if the view count updates. If it doesn't, your video might be under review. TikTok sometimes reviews videos flagged by its algorithm for potential violations, which can delay visibility. These are the 3 main reasons why your TikTok video might have 0 views. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.